Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to utilize Google Meet for your online collaborations through video conferencing. Whether you're new to video conferencing or familiar with the concept, Google Meet is an excellent and well-streamlined platform to quickly and easily connect with others. But before we begin, here are some helpful tips to help prepare you for your online meeting. Tip number 1. Pick the right environment. It does not have to be perfect, but what matters is that you have a plain background with no windows and a steady surface for your laptop to avoid any movements that may be distracting for your colleagues. Tip number 2 goes without saying. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. And lastly, tip number 3, make sure that your microphone and camera settings are enabled through Chrome settings. Now that we have that covered, let's get right into it. Google Meet can be accessed in two ways. The first is through your browser or Gmail window. In both instances, you can select Google Meet from the Google apps that are available to you. Once you're on the landing page, click on Join or Start a Meeting to begin. If you're starting the meeting, you can either leave the space blank or give your meeting a nickname like so. Then simply click on Continue. Before entering the meeting room, Google Meet will ask you to check your audio and visual settings. When prompted, allow the application to access your camera and microphone. Once you're comfortable, you can join the meeting room. Inside, you can invite up to 250 members by either sending them the meeting nickname or link, or sending email invites directly like so. Note that the AUS directory is synced to Google Meet. On your meeting page, you can interact with your colleagues through chat on the Collaborate panel located on the top right corner. And you can also add attendees mid-session and check for attendance. On the bottom bar of your meeting page, you can always refer back to your meeting details on the left corner. In the middle of this bar, you can toggle with your microphone or camera and have the option to leave the call. As you move along, you will find a very handy feature. In case you don't have headphones or a lot of background noise, Google Meet's caption feature can display captions in real time. How cool is that? Next, you can also present your work to your colleagues. It's safer to present just the one window you need to, instead of your entire screen. Share what you only need to share. Through the menu bar on the right bottom corner, you can record your meeting or classroom session. But make sure that you have the consent of your participants before you begin recording. Similarly, you can stop the recording from the same menu. Once stopped, the recording will get saved onto your Google Drive under Meet Recordings. This folder automatically appears on your drive when you record a session. Google Meet has additional features to fit your preferences. For instance, in a group meeting, you can change the layout of your screen and audio and visual settings like so. The second way to collaborate on Google Meet is through your calendar. Simply create an event and add Hangouts Meet as your conferencing tool. An important note to make is that attachments can only be added through this route prior to starting the meeting. You can attach local files and files that are stored on your Google Drive. Once added and the meeting has started, they will show up under Meeting Details on your meeting page. Here are some key points to remember. There are two ways to collaborate on Google Meet, through your AUS Gmail and Google Calendar. Attachments can only be added prior to the meeting through Google Calendar. Ensure you have consent before recording your session, and Captions is a great tool for clearer communication. And that's it! You're ready to start collaborating. For further assistance, don't forget to reach out to AUS IT support.